Jesus. I'm talking to these damn buyers. All right, I'm here. Let's see.
I have a move
News drops.
already, to be honest.
News drops in like 2 minutes.
That's
They say,
fire.
sorry to bother you so early, but I'm like, hey, I got a stream that starts in 2 minutes. Chop, chop. Let's see. Kicking in. Share computers. All right. All right. Looks like we're good to go. Just getting everything set up over here on my end. Roger, you there today?
Hey, I go in the office in a little bit.
Oh, okay. See what we got. Got a minute left. Man, we're moving. Oh, nothing above there, obviously. I guess I don't. Let's see if it makes a top wick and leaves some range to come down. Because what is it right now? 30. Seconds. You in the car right now? That's fine. So we tap right into that little area. I got my trade copier set up, bro. All accounts. So I just had to test it just to see if it worked. And bro, it does. 11 accounts copying at once on Tradecopia. It's kind of crazy. But I'm using this account as my leader account. And then all the other accounts are following suit. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I got my other accounts over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I got my Project X account, the live one. So a lot of shit going on. But it's going to be worth it, though, since I don't got to click all these screens, bro. Yesterday, I legitimately was doing like playing a piano. That shit was crazy. That shit was definitely crazy.
News ain't really do nothing.
What'd you say?
News ain't really do nothing.
Nah, I just pushed straight down. Right into that zone. What days you in the office this week?
Today and Thursday.
Okay.
So I'll be home tomorrow.
Got you.
Oh.
Got you. Damn, I got it cold in this room right now.
We probably finna reach all-time highs again today.
Probably so.
Ugh.
Probably so. Ain't nothing happening, but price just continuing up. This shit crazy, bro. But now, I just keep on working on all these accounts. So now on Tradeify, I'm at 8,052.60. And now I need $948. So I'm gonna throw a 4 for 25 to cover the spread. So that's gonna be 1,000. And then this was $100,000 account, so I requested that payout yesterday and got that one approved. So that'll be 2,500 that comes. And then when I request these 4, that'll be 12,000, I think it is. So just trying to keep stacking them up. And then every day I make profit on the top 1 futures accounts since they do everyday payouts. I just go ahead and request literally every day. So 218 yesterday, 327, 690 after all these. But now that I'm copying on all these accounts, bro, it's gonna be so much easier to manage. So much easier. I had to go in. What happened?
So each account, so all accounts aren't the same size. Do you already have it preset to what size logic you're gonna throw on each account already?
So this is an interesting platform. Back in the day, there used to be ways to like go positive or negative. But most of the accounts are the same account size, but the 100K. I have one 100K and 950Ks.
Right.
So what I did was I went in here to, where is it at? Risk management. There it is. And then I said the max I can make in a day is 620. So it just automatically liquidate me at 620.
Never. But
yeah. So I'm glad because there was no way for me to change it. Like I was like, I thought that I could do plus or minus like, or times 0.75% or something like that. But nah, they only do multipliers of 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'd either be trading a 4 or an 8, a 2 or a 4, a 1 or a 4. Like, I ain't doing that. So I just tell them to take me out. But yeah, I literally just took a trade just to see how it went. I threw a little 4 micros and it activated everything just right. So I just lost 40. And this doesn't update until end of day, but that actually worked too. All right, let's see. We tap right into that support. We can close back above this range. We should be able to go on up, but not too much though. We want some range to continue up. So 5-minute candle came down to come up. I definitely wouldn't be surprised if we broke all-time highs today again, Roger, for sure. I'm tired of it. It's all good though. I'll chill out on the 15-minute for now. Gotta go to the office today. We'll see if we can catch some by 9:40. But for right now, it's looking like we can. Just depends on if this is gonna hold us up right there, or if it's just gonna close above.
We can close like right here.
Literally, like right there, like right above it, taking on up for this last little pullback up for the 1 hour to flip up.
Gold trying to reach 5K.
More power to whoever can hold gold right now. Hold it, and hold it, and hold it, and hold it. You don't even gotta, you just gotta press buy. Close your eyes. Close your eyes, man. Oh, man. Bro, I'm telling you, I was dead ass playing the piano yesterday, bro. I had to get in 3 different positions, set buy stops in 3 different positions, exit in 3 different positions, bro. That shit is not easy.
Mm-mm.
I'm not trying to do that shit no more,
You had to find a way.
bruh. Man, listen, I was trading these accounts, sorry, 5. Then I was trading my top 1 account, and then I was trading my Lucid accounts. So, bruh, it was too much going on, and then I ain't gonna say I was mad because I had to go to another to my Zoom call. Bro, it was way too much going on. Way too much going on. But I'm in the game now. I was like, bro, there has to be a better way than this. This is not sustainable. This is making me think too much. I'm not trying to think about nothing while I'm trading.
Well,
We just
I mean,
projecting
close
that.
below. That would be good too.
Yeah. I'll take that. Right on down into here. No, I didn't do a breakdown yet. I will. I'm just getting everything set up. It's a little nerve-wracking the first time around testing this stuff out because it could be the difference of me passing all these accounts or not. But I know for a fact they all work because I lost my little 40 cents on every account. So. What would be crazy is if I didn't pass it by 40 cents. That would be wild.
Let's see if it respects the zone.
For the second time. Let's see. Right now, it looked like we just chilling out. Yeah, you right. News really didn't do shit. Oh shit! I accidentally stopped the music. Stopping the flow. I bet. Let's see if we can come on down. Content, audio library. Start. My bad.
Come on. What's below?
Let's do something. Got 5 minutes. It can close below this at 8:45. I'll definitely try my hand. Not gonna hold you. This is the best track. Yes, sir. I know everybody love the luxury flow. Oh man.
There you go. Just show
Oh,
me.
Raj. Feeling it. Feeling it.
Show me you're interested.
I just need straight fall. Bro, this is 50 to take advantage of. I need 25. Come on now. Or it's going to reject again and start continuing up.
Oh.
It's respecting it. It's respecting it. Oh, breakdown. Bullish. Support. Resistance. Going zone to zone. Not really too much to do. Support. Resistance. It closes below. should come down into there as it's doing right now. If it closes below here, should come down into there. Close above. You're in no man's land because it has not pushed that high yet. All-time highs. Every time we break this high, it just keep on going. Let's see, this was this morning at 2 a.m. So it would have given you like 30 on the break of the all-time highs, fell out for 45, then continued up again. This is what I would like, just something like this, where it closes above slightly, wicks down to retest, continue up. Those are perfect. Fill the wick, which was already 30 pips, then continue for about 50. That's money. And so for all my new traders out there, this is what we try to identify. So we try to identify a zone in which you can get in above or below. So this is a resistance, green candle, red candle. This is a resistance. You wait on the candle to close above the range. This candle closed above the range. This candle wick down to retest this broken resistance. You want to get a wick down to 1, retest, and 2, to kind of give you a stop loss. And with that being said, you could have had an entry on the break of the current candle's high. It was a little far to be using this high, but if this high was a bit lower, say like down here, then you could have had an entry on the break of that high. But I probably would have been comfortable taking it on the break of that high right there with a 20-ish pip stop loss, anticipating that volume would take us on up, filling the wick, and potentially breaking the highs. But for now, it's looking like we're not doing nothing because we're coming right into this support. Since we're coming into this support right here, it's nothing to really do because it's already filled the range. If it would have closed right here at 8:30, it'd have been nice to take it on down. But it didn't give much of a top wick. It just fell straight out. As you can see, what happened at 8:35, it just fell straight down. Oh, per usual, it's looking like 9:15. We can get a closure below here. That'd be great. Come on down into here, potentially down even further into here. And if we close back above, that'd be a fake out. So candles closing below, fake back out, closing back above this range. What happened when we came up or closed above here, went up? What happened when we closed above here, went up? This would be that perfect closure, Roger. Something just like this. Hardly above. Take it on up, fill this range. We'll see. We'll definitely see. Appreciate y'all tuning in from YouTube. Drop a like and subscribe. That'd be very much appreciated. Oh man.
Damn, I missed those 8:30 trades.
you telling me? I'm just used to it at this point. I feel like I really could start the stream at around 9 for real. I won't be doing this shit. But you gotta stay ready, so you don't gotta get ready. But I mean, it's rare that we take something at 8:45. So if we don't take nothing at 8:35, 8:40 max, then we likely wait until 9, like I say every morning. It seemed like you wanted to hold it, bruh. It seemed like you wanted to hold it. It's tapped in perfectly. If this can close back above here, I'm talking about ever so slightly, which is re-breaking the 30-minute highs, which is the 1 hour, potentially moving back up, which is the 4 hour, just moving back up. That would be better. So we'll see.
Especially since we're in the uptrend anyway.
That's all I'm saying. I mean, the buys are really what you want anyway, but it's all good. I made my little 80 cents on my other accounts. Let's see. good morning, comma, we received an offer last night, comma, so I just wanted to circle back with you to see if you all were still interested in similar games. This shit just start trickling down. I don't know. It would have been nice if this candle gave a top wick first that perfectly retested right there to come on down and fill this.
I will see y'all in the chat.
All right, brother. Thank you for leaving me by my damn lonesome. But T-Mitch, what up, bro? Watching this paint dry. You wonder where Antonio been. Yeah, I'm gonna tell him. I'm gonna say, bro's looking for you. That's crazy. He had an interview a couple days ago, but I don't know. He might have got low on his account and said, I need a little break. He was over leveraging. Not over leveraging, not even that. It was like over leveraging according to the account size. So he was like cutting his losses a little too early before letting them play out just because of the lot size was bigger. Yeah, I just checked in. See what we can do, man. We got about 7-8 minutes before we get this candle to close. Yeah, Trey, it's about 8 bros in here. No cap. Yeah, bruh. Brandon, he the glue. He the glue, no cap. chilling out right now though. Going. All right, so now the 15-minute candle closed. This one. And I'm waiting on a 30-minute/1 hour closure. I can go to either time frame. So I can go sit on the 1 hour or I can go sit on the 30 minutes. So always keep that in mind. You kind of can just hang out whatever time frame you're looking for the next closure. So I wait on 15-minute and 30-minute closures. So considering that the next closure will be 9 o'clock, that's both 30-minute or 1 hour. So whichever one you want to look at, chill out on, all is valid.
Perfect.
Make sure my damn trade copy is still in motion. I don't want no BS. I got that big called time to max. No holds barred. I'm trading all these motherfuckers at one time. Fuck it. 11 accounts going. One time. Time to max these motherfuckers. The money too sweet. They giving it out. They handing it out. The same trade somebody gonna take and make $100 off of is the same trade I'm gonna make make 10,000 off of. Same shit. It's just all about the leverage and playing their game. And I play their game. I will play their game. For shit sure. That's just what we do, man. This is what days is about to start looking like. Yeah, facts. No cap. I was just telling them before you hopped on, I was just saying, I just got my payout for this 100K account approved last night for 2,500. But when I get the rest of these accounts approved, when I get to 9,000, it'll be another 12. And then I got that 12 coming. And then the next time around, all I gotta do is make 4,500 and 3,000. I can hit for the same shit. And then on these top one accounts, I'm just taking dailies. 690, 370, or 327, 218. And then I just started some accounts here. First day yesterday, 912 out the gate, times 5. Like I said, I'll play their game. I will so play their game.
No, you winning that game, bro.
It's become gamified. That's all it is. You just got to kind of get ahead. It's like real estate. It's like once you know how to do it, just rinse and repeat. So that's why I'm looking most forward to. I'm like, man, if I can consistently make $10,000 to $15,000 payouts, why not just trade 10, 12, 15 at a time? Why not?
Makes sense.
Yeah. But that's all very attainable for everybody in here and everybody watching. It's just about leverage. You just use one to pay for the next and the next and the next. Right now, everybody should start out on learning how to gain the skill. I meant to ask y'all, and I'm gonna put it in the chat too. Does Thursday evening work for y'all? After 7? Let me know. I'm gonna put it in the chat now. I just have 2 Zoom calls tonight actually, and tomorrow night, 7 and 7:30. So that's messing my motion up. But if everybody is free Thursday, I can do Thursday. But the most interesting thing about all this, like copy trading and stuff, is it's so simple because all I got to do is look at one account. So this is my lead account, and every trade I take on that lead account gets copied over to the rest of these accounts. So I don't even got to think about getting in here and getting in there and getting in there. And the only reason this ain't showing the update is because it don't update the balance at the end of the day. So, but yeah, this balance is now at 159.12.40. So it worked. Definitely works. The proof is in the pudding. And this only, to get this, it only cost me $14.50 a month to be able to do all this. Why wouldn't I? And the fact that we doing this shit live, I don't even take trades off of stream no more at all. I hardly did back then, but I really don't now. After we get up from this desk, I don't even think about this shit until 8:25 the next morning. I want to be able to make $5,000 to $10,000 a day in less than 2 hours a day and not think about it till the next day. Every day. That's what I want to do. Because the more I'm consumed with this shit is the more I get mentally exhausted. I want to make as much amount of money as I can the least amount of time. Let's just see what happens. And so we kind of closed in the middle of the range here. Nothing really happened. You got weak candles. Candles starting getting weaker and weaker. So you got a hard push down, rejection. And now this candle is just kind of in no man's land. I would identify all this as a range, basically. Let's see. All this as a range. But if we were to get a candle, say 9:15 to close under here, I would anticipate that we would go ahead and make our way down to the next support, which is right here. Now I hope it don't start falling too fast and coming down too quickly. But if it can just like hang out, close like right in here somewhere, 9:15, I will be ready. Willie, what you got brewing in business right now?
I got buyers that have come out the woodworks now.
Okay.
Yeah. And interestingly enough, well, I'll talk about that offline, but yeah, I got some buyers definitely coming up.
Okay. That's good. Man, it's
And I need
crazy.
to hit the expires too, because they still growing.
Yeah, I'm trying my best to just keep on keeping on. Like I had a real hot month in July, and then I was kind of silent for August and the first half of September. Not even the first half of September, just August. And then now I got 2 under contract and probably one more before the end of today, all due to close in the next 2 weeks. So it's just crazy how like diligence just
That's how it is.
all it's about.
Consistency over time, man.
Consistency over time, for real. Consistency over time. But I was talking about it, my wife was like, you be stressing for no reason.
Man,
like,
folks don't understand, bro.
I know. It sounds good, like it's supposed to just automatically come, but like
Right.
you like, bro, I don't even know where it's coming from.
And you can have it and slip through your hands in a matter of seconds. Like, wait a minute, what just happened?
I closed 5 in 40 days. And I was supposed to close 6. One made it to less than 2 days from closing 2 times and didn't close.
See? Dang.
I'm telling you, like, and then they fired me.
Right, like it's your fault.
Yeah, I'm like, she like, you weren't vetting them and this and that. I'm like, listen, what are you talking about? What are
Y'all
you
talk about stress.
Exactly, man. And it's crazy because what I always say is when I've really just came to understand over the last, I'd say a year, maybe a year and some changes. I don't really want stress money in my life. It's not worth it.
In any area, you're right.
I don't want stress.
At the least resistant to stress. That's what I'm looking for.
I'm telling you. And that's why it's funny, because like while trading is quote unquote stressful, it's like I done literally found something in which I can spend $200, $300, $400 with the chance of making $2,000, $3,000, $30,000.
Right.
And that's why I be trying to tell people, I'm like, man, this game has gotten so gamified that, I mean, I understand you don't want to blow your little account, but bro, if you lose it, it's $200. Like, it ain't like you just lost $10, $15, $20,000 like people did back in the day. Back in the day, before all this prop firm stuff, but you got to put your real money on the line.
Yeah. My homeboy watched your YouTube channel. I was just telling him, I was learning, and he does day trade. He might be watching now. What's up, Daryl? But he was like, yesterday, he was like, man, I made $500.
He tapped into the group.
Yeah, I did.
He tapped into the group.
Yeah. So he just watched yesterday. It was like, man, I like his style, the way he approach it. He's like, man, I made a quick 500. Just watch. Like, let me do it.
Hey, listen.
Oh yeah,
that's why I say, man, all that extra shit pays for itself. Like, it's simple when you get it, but
he said he here. He here. Oh,
yeah,
what's up, man?
He's in here.
Oh,
here. He jumped quick. But I mean, once you see it, you can't unsee it. The hardest thing about it is like just the discipline. Like, I forgot I was talking to somebody, and they were just like, "I've been doing good for the last 3 weeks or whatever," and I'm like, "That don't matter. You gotta do that every day, like with your discipline."
Yeah.
You can lose. I can come here today and blow every single account within the span of 30 minutes if I don't have my discipline. That's why I try to limit my trade time, because ultimately, the more time I spend on here, the more susceptible I am to losing. I'd rather take my one trade, win, lose, or draw, and if I do lose, like, I might try to get it back. I might not. If I do, I do. If I don't, I don't. I'm just trying to stick around for tomorrow. Looking clean. If we can stay right here for the next 10 minutes, that'd be great. Price wick up to retest this. Come on down, break this low right here. Come on down to this support. But if it starts coming on down early and that range gets smaller and smaller, that ain't good. So we'll see. Oh man. Seven one oh. Let's see what we got going on. The 1 hour lows have now broken. So, since the 1 hour lows have broken, it wouldn't be bad to come on down into here. I ain't trying to just hold for too long. I just want a little something. But if this closes under and then closes back above, I would anticipate the same thing. Same way we rejected out of this little support right here the first time is the same way. If this closes below and that 930 closes back above, you probably take it back up and fill and do what this did right here. So there's a couple options of what can happen, but ultimately just waiting on the 15 minute to close now. So the 9:15 candle, and we will take it from there. Get up and hit my stretch soon. I need price to stay right where it's at. Literally right where it's at. I wonder if I do have my risk management on, but if they say my daily profit limit is 620, I wonder if it's really gonna get me out at 620 or what. I hope so. It's all just trial and error, honestly. All just trial and error. It's just mind blowing to me that people are this smart to create stuff like this and making it easy on everybody else for a small fee.
Hey, James.
Yes, sir.
Your trade copier, is that cloud based or is that
It's
software you have
it's
to install?
actually Tradecopia. Tradecopia is what it's called. Tradecopia, trade copier software. And
It's
I'll go to
installed
the
locally
actual
on your
website.
computer.
Yeah, you got to be on your computer for it. It's a download.
Okay.
It's a download. So sign in, email and stuff, and then you can go to downloads here, and you can download for Windows, which I have, or you can download for Mac. And it's fairly simple. You just log into your Tradeovate or your Project X. It lets you do whichever one you So I actually had to ask for this. So this is beta testing, by the way, of Project X, because I saw people on Twitter advertising it. I'm like, oh, I need this because I got way too many accounts to be clicking too many buttons at once. So I just messaged them, emailed them, and they gave me access to use Project X and Tradeovate for the copier. So it's really cool, and it was really easy to set up. Really easy to set up.
Cool. Yeah, I'm using a Trade Syncer now, and I need
I
to
heard
find
about
another
that.
one
You like
that's
it?
not. I like it, but the ratio functionality doesn't work. So because I have a couple of bigger accounts that I
I'm
have to put the
learning.
ratio on it, and it's not picking up.
I'm just learning on the go. So, like Brightman was alluding to, I have 9 150K accounts. I have 100K account, and I have 150K account. So with all that being said, I don't even really know how I would do the ratios for that. So I just was like, let me just set the max profit of 620 for that one and call it a day, because I can't mess up my consistency on this one, or it wouldn't make sense.
Right.
It wouldn't make sense. I can go over, but like for now, so I got my first payout on this account, which was 6,000, and then the next profit target is 3,000, and the consistency is 20%. So that means that I don't really need to be making more than 600 in a day, or else I'm gonna be messing my consistency up, and I got to make way more. I'd rather not do that.
Right.
Mm-hmm. So this 620 on a 4 lot, like I trade 4s on the 150Ks. That'll be 13, 14 ticks maybe, or it'd be 15. Yeah, 15. So we'll see. We'll see. Actually, adjust this to 640. Since I'm trading in intervals of 4s. But yeah, I was looking at Trade Syncer. I was looking at all of them.
Yeah, I like it. They just get that ratio fixed, but I think I'm gonna try out that Tradecopia. I got a VPS that I can install it too.
Yeah. And with code Top Step or something like that. Actually, I'm gonna just send you exactly. I'm gonna just go to exactly what I looked at. So YouTube. So I went to this video, and on this video, it actually gives you, in his bio or in his description, it gives you a free, it's not 30 days anymore, but it's 14-day free trial. So, yep,
Yeah, I can do
Nick
that.
does futures. So go to that link, and you'll get 14 free days and 30% off your first month.
I appreciate that.
It was pretty dope. Yep. So I can vouch for it so far. I'll see how it does me today. And then, like I said, it's still in beta testing for Project X, but their support's real easy. It's like info@tradecopia.com or something like that. info@tradecopia.com. You just ask to get access to Project X, and they got me set up by the end of the day. Real simple stuff. And I'm not very tech savvy at all. it was a struggle for me, but if I can get it done, you damn sure get it done. Let's see. I don't want no little maybe-ish type closure either. I want a easy yes or no. If I can get a closure under here, I would anticipate that volume could take it on down into this support right here. If I get a closure above, really not bad for a buy, because you're rejecting out of this support, anticipating that if you broke this high during the time of volume, which is the 1 hour, also flipping without a top wick, that also is good. So we'll see what happens in the next couple minutes, or 1 minute. So depending on the down wick, might take that chance, anticipating that volume after we done closed and rejected out of resistance right here, so we can start breaking these highs coming on up into here. But I just gotta see, because it depends on how these 5-minute candles close. Oh, yep. Looking like that's gonna be my move. Like a buy stop above here. But I need a wick though, a bottom wick, as I always say. The technical stop loss will be below the previous candle's low, which would be 50 pips, which is kind of a lot. So what I would want is a down wick so I can use the current candle stops. So a 1 hour flipping again. Let's see. So right now I'm gonna have let's see. I ain't gonna waste my time if it's not gonna print how I want it to print. But let's see. So I will go ahead and set it. I take my word back. I'll go ahead and set it, but I'll see if it activates me or not. 32 or 37.27. 37. I need to make sure my trade copier got all these down. Trade. All right, man. If this breaks this high, maybe a 35-ish pip stop. Y'all know I'll be cutting risk real fast just because I trade such large lots. But the reason I like this is because it's rejecting out of this support right here, and it came down without a top wick. So it's rejecting again if it flips. That'll be the 30-minute candle flipping again to continue up. That'll be the 1 hour candle flipping to continue up without making a... Let's see, can I bring this down at all? Yeah, I can bring it down a little bit. But anyway, 36.29. Yeah, that'll be all these candles making basically top wicks. And I would just use whatever this low is. If it doesn't get me in by like 9:30, I'll probably just wait, or 9:25 in advance of 9:30. But I might be deleting if it just starts stuttering around. Win, lose, or draw, all you can do is stick to the plan. So this is basically just a rejection out of support. Honestly, it's a rejection out of support. This candle flipping, the 1 hour coming up to make a top wick, 4 hours still open, and it's bullish. Like I said, all I need is 25 pips. Come on, gold. Do me right. If one wants to wait till 9:30, it can close below or above, and it'd be good. I'm gonna stand up and stretch.
Oh man.
If it keeps re-breaking its low, I wouldn't be surprised if it starts making its way down. But we will see. Because at the end of the day, like I said, the highest time frames are saying that we're supposed to go up. But we do have a 1 hour candle close bearish. We do have a 30-minute candle close bearish. So it definitely can still come down. I just don't want it to run off too fast if it wants to come down. So let's see, we start breaking lows. It's like, it's starting to get to be a bit big, but we'll see. Like I wouldn't ever use, well, I ain't gonna say ever, but I wouldn't use a 50 pip stop in this instance. Like I'll probably wait on the next 5-minute candle to open and see where that low is. I anticipate, even if it does sell though, I think that the volume at 9:30 will take it through all this. So I'm open to both ideas. Open to both ideas. If it just, now see, if it breaks these lows and still comes and flips back up, that's even better because people got activated on these sells right here. So people got activated on these sells, whoever tried to jump in the game too quickly. And now if it starts flipping back up, that'd be even better. So I'm gonna put what the technical stop loss is, but I'm gonna change it once we get in. Or once I get in. It's y'all's trade. Anyone who tells it, just believe in the position as well. All right, so it's breaking its highs again. And I love that it broke the lows. That's so good. Like I said, whoever tried to jump the gun and sell down here is panicking right now, and it's about to break these highs and hopefully take us on up. Like I said, I have my stop loss below the 5-minute low right here, which is the entry candle. The way I look at it is, if it breaks these highs, it has no reason to break these lows if it wants to continue up right now. So that's why I don't even be stunned holding through all that drawdown. I ain't trying to sit in too much drawdown. Let's see. Because the 1 hour is about to flip again. Less than like 6 pips away from my entry point. It'd be great if this can go on up. The volume is definitely kicking in.
Stop filled.
All right, it just got me in. Up there. Let's see. My stop's 34-ish pips. The 1 hour did flip now. So hopefully we can just start making its way on up. Damn, I got slipped bad. Ooh, on one position. Got slipped by 3 pips over here. 4. All right. Let's see, up 8, 7, 5, 7. As it keeps breaking these highs, it should just come on into profits. but I've seen about 10 so far. Oh, I gotta play my song. I gotta play my theme music. My bad. Come on now. Keep pushing. All right. I want to be out of this trade by 9:30 for real. I think once we start breaking these highs right here, we should start pushing. I'm so mad I got slipped by 3 pips. Every pip matters right now. I'm close to my payout. But it's all good. I'll catch it. Then I hope to get out in this next couple minutes, or this next minute, because I don't even like dealing with 5-minute pullbacks. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'd be scary. All right, let's see. Close. I've seen 20 so far. Pushing.
Order filled.
Got it. And that's the trade of the day, y'all. Hope y'all took it. That was really fucking easy. Made 1,040 on all these accounts. That means that I have now hit the motherfucking payout. I'm gonna pop my shit because this is what I do. And it's been fun. Close all, exit all. Damn. That was, hey, listen, y'all. This is what I be talking about when I say all you gotta do is weather the storm through those semi-bad weeks. If you can just sit and just not lose your whole fucking account, you'll stay around for a long time. But I just hit the profit target, 9,067 each account. All this shit done live on the streams. Every day we come here live. 1,040 on these accounts. 1,000 on each of these 5 accounts. If I'm not mistaken, that's what you call a $10,000 day. After yesterday's 9.27K day. And that is how the game goes. So I'm about to get ready to go to the office, and I can actually get there in good time today. I don't gotta sit there and wait until 9:50 to leave. So I'm calling it a day, and y'all let me know if we can do a beginner's webinar on Thursday. I will, let me see if it logged the trade real quick. I'm gonna mark it up just because I like marking up all my trades. If it did, sometimes it take a little minute to update. But that's sunny days, man. Listen, what? I need to clip that trade up. That was a good fucking trade. It's simple, bro. It's simple. It's really simple. I'm gonna drop this in the chat. Just because if I'm not able to grab it now, I can grab it later. What I say when we start breaking these highs. This can run and run and run and run. What I tell y'all, I don't give. That took me 2 minutes and 32 seconds to take that trade across 11 accounts. Roger, I can't wait till you back on in the set, my boy. I want to holler with you. But I'm just dropping these right now just so I can get back to them later because my trade Zella is taking a minute to update. Damn, bro. And it's crazy because, like, I really don't even feel nothing by doing this shit no more. And that's where you want to get to ultimately. That's where you want to get to ultimately. So that's 5,000 on those accounts. And then I got to manually upload those other accounts. But I'm gonna just mark this up just so I can go make a. I might not even get breakfast because they be having breakfast at the office a lot. So it was both. I mostly saw it off of the 15, I would say. So I'm gonna break it down while I'm inputting it. and I'll show y'all why I did what I did. Like I said, I really need this might be one to put on Instagram, no cap. God, thank you for another great day. Thank you for waking up today. Okay. So this candle right here. I get paranoid, y'all. 1 second. Let me make sure I'm exited all my positions. I want to make sure I'm exited all. Exited all. So exit all, exit all, exit all, exit all, exit all. And then over here, same case. Just want to make sure I don't got no BS going on while I'm sitting in the office. I'm back looking sad when I'm in something that I don't want to be in. On my 100K account, it went ahead and just made me make 1,000. Not made me. I made 1,000 when I said my max is 600. They so asked for that. But I ain't gonna worry about it. I'll just this no big deal. Just have a big ear buffer. Maybe come back to lose on purpose later. Okay. I'm gonna break this down, like I said, so I can leave. 15-minute candle came down, closed above. This supports the left. So 15-minute candle. Oops, sorry. Let me write it down. I'll write down all my trades. 15-minute candle. Closed above, closed and rejected. Candle closed above / rejected. Support to the left. Next candle. Wick down and broke the previous 15-minute candles low. Right there, right? Broke the previous 15-minute candles low. I didn't want to use that fat ass stop loss all the way down here. Y'all know me. Y'all know I trade kind of big size, so I can't really be trading those big lots for that much size. So I was like, shit, if I'm going to enter, I'm going to live and die by this 5-minute candle. I'm going to say that I want to catch these volume candles. So I used the 5-minute low as my stop loss. Used 5-minute low as my technical stop loss. Anticipated that the 1 hour / 30-minute break of high would push up with volume, considering we had no top wick. And I guess for what it's worth, I'll go ahead and take a picture of what it looks like now. Bruh, this is just rinse and repeat, y'all. Y'all see the vision and y'all rock with me. I won't let you fail. That's just what it's gonna come down to. But it's just gonna take that time. Like I said, I've been doing it for 6 years. That's ultimately what it's gonna come down to. It's gonna come down to what you want to do with it. Because win, lose, or draw, my trades are my trades, my moves are my moves, and I'm gonna be here tomorrow. But it's probably gonna keep pushing. It's probably gonna break all-time highs. But like I always say, especially to my dog Jamal, who am I to not be cool with making $10,000 in 2 minutes and 32 seconds before 9:30 a.m. So with that being said, it's been a great stream, and I will catch y'all on Wednesday. Let me check the chat before I leave. Congrats on the payout. Boom, money, consistency over time, walking, smiling, great move. Come on, one of the moves, great job. You want to be numb? Amen, amen, amen. Yes, sir. Thank y'all. Thank y'all. Thank God more than anything. Thank God more than anything. So I will catch y'all tomorrow. Let's do it.
Have a great day, man. Appreciate your efforts,
Appreciate it.
man.
Thank you.
Yeah.